Any image in your camera roll can be used as a background palette for a TouchCast. Find images that are licensed for reuse for your projects at search.creativecommons.org. Images for the palette of a TouchCast project should have a high resolution. Save the image to your camera roll and visit the image's original page so you can note the attribution information about the photographer in order to include it in the photo credits for your TouchCast. I'm going to create a new TouchCast, and then I'll go to the camera in the lower left, and I'll turn the camera off in the middle. On the right, you'll see buttons that let me either add a still image or a movie as my TouchCast's background palette. I'll hit the still image button and select the image I downloaded to my camera roll earlier. Now I'll press the titles feature and select a theme for my title. Now I'll add a map VAP and a web page VAP, and I'll position them where I want them to appear on my palette. I'll hit the record button, then say my information about Machu Picchu and my VAPs. I can individually control the VAPs or just hit the next VAP button. I'll hit the pause button when I'm done with this segment. Now I'll change the background palette image for a different one, and I'll add an image VAP. And for the image, I can input the URL as a link and give attribution that way. I'll record my second segment, then hit the Done button. I now have an editing tray where I can scrub through my clips, tap the Transitions button to select different transitions, tap a segment to trim it or to delete it, and when I'm completely done, I'll hit Save and Share. And if I'm under the 5-minute time limit, I can publish my work to TouchCast.